Hello, welcome to Mrs. Patterson's Homework Help. Today for math we are on Chapter 6, Lesson 2. And this is dealing with division again, but we're going to be estimating our quotients. Quotient is the answer to a division problem. So to do that, they're giving us some general division problems that have numbers that we can round and make them more compatible or easier to divide in our heads and using our heads. So for instance, let's look at the homework helper up here. We have 122 divided by 3. So it's estimating, so we can round that 122 to a more compatible number. And I really want to think about using numbers that have the magic of 0, that I can use that. So 122 is very close to 120. And I know that 120 and 3 are compatible because 12 and 3 are compatible. So with that 0 there, I know that what times 3 will give me 12? Well, I know it's 4. So then, using the magic of 0, I can put that 0 in there. 40 times 3 is going to give me 120. Okay? I went through that pretty quick, so let's go over a couple of the problems and see how we can work these out. Well, we have 184 divided by 9. Well, I know 9 times 2 is 18, and I see 18 sitting right here. So I'm going to round that 184 to 180 and then divide it by 9, because I know 2 times 9 gives me 18, but I've got that 0, and my rounded answer would be 20. What would it be like for number 2? Well, I have 149 divided by 5. Well, I know 14 doesn't help me, but look how close that is to rounding up to 150. So if I round that to 150 and divide it by 5, I know 5 times 3 gives me 15, because I know my multiplication tables. Then I have that 0 to account for. Put that in my answer over there, because I need 30 times 5 to give me 150. Okay, do the rest of the problems here. Do the best you can. Use multiplication tables. They do help when you're looking and saying, hey, what is 6 close to? I know, hey, it's close to 36. Okay? Or I know that 7 is close to 28. So use your multiplication tables as a helper. Then on the back we have 3 more problems that they've just given us a variable instead of a blank to find the answer. It's easy. And 3 other word problems. Okay? And some testing, a vocabulary check. Circle the compatible numbers you would use to estimate 3,616 divided by 9. So you're going to look through here to find out which one is most compatible. And then go ahead and try the test practice to see how well you do on that. Our bonus question today is estimate and solve 241 divided by 6.